I'm Anil Kumar. Here is an extension to linear inequalities. The question is find A and B. If x is between 1 and 5, then 1 over x minus 8 is between A and B. You need to find the values of A and B. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now 1 over x minus 8 is a reciprocal function. If you sketch, you may get a graph something like this. X minus 8 at x equals to 8 will have a vertical asymptote, right? Plus 8. It will be a vertical asymptote. And the graph of the function will be, if x is greater than 8, it is going to be positive. So something like this, something like this. We're just making approximate graph. And if it is less than 8, you can see when it is 0, it is minus 1 over 8. So it's kind of like this. So that is how the graph is going to be. Now the question is, if x is between 1 and 5. So 1 and 5, you can say 1 is here and let us say 5 is here. So we are looking for these 2 points. Is that okay? So that is the type of question which we have. This line here is x equals to 8. Correct? So that is x-axis, this is y-axis, that is 0. Now since this part between x and 5 is kind of always decreasing, we can directly find the solution for this particular question by substituting these values 1 and 5, okay, in 1 over x minus 8. So in 1 over x minus 8, if I substitute x equals to 1, then what do I get? I get 1 over 1 minus 8, which is 1 over minus 7 or minus 1 over 7. So this point here can be minus 1 over 7. Is that okay? So that's the y value. If I substitute 5 in this expression, which is 1 over x minus 8, so in this I'm substituting x equals to 5. In that case, what do we get? In that case, we get 1 over 5 minus 8, which is 1 over minus 3, which is minus 1 over 3, right? So that is this value, minus 1 over 3, right? So that is what we get, and from here we can find what is the value of A and B. So what we realize from here is that 1 over x minus 8 should be greater than minus 1 over 3 and less than minus 1 over 7. Comparing these two, we can say A equals to minus 1 over 3 and b equals to minus 1 over 7. So that is how we can actually solve this question. So have a good look at it, try to understand. Now since the graph is decreasing, right, what we will notice is that the value which was here, 1, right, this value, actually is for b, right? So it kind of flips. So this is important to understand. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.